안녕하세요. Jhazz and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to learn about colors. Learn Korean Lesson 8 Colors. We're going to learn colors as nouns and adjectives in Korean. In Korean, a color is usually ends with sek. Sek is a Sino-Korean word means color. What is Sino-Korean word? Sino-Korean vocabulary, also known as hanja, refers to Korean words of Chinese origin. Sino-Korean vocabulary includes words borrowed directly from Chinese as well as new Korean words created from Chinese characters. Now, let us learn colors. Colors as noun. Red in Korean is 빨간색. 빨간색. It means red. Next one is pink. 핑크색. It means pink. 핑크색. Green in Korean is 녹색. 녹색 means green. 녹색. Purple is 보라색. 보라색 means purple. Next is blue. 파란색. 파란색. It means blue. 파란색. Next one is black. 검은색. 검은색. It means black. Next is yellow. Yellow in Korean is 노란색. 노란색. And then orange is 오렌지색. 오렌지색. 오렌지색 means orange. And then white in Korean is 하얀색. 하얀색 means white. 하얀색. Let's repeat it once again. 빨간색. 핑크색. 녹색. 보라색. 파란색. 검은색. 노란색. 오렌지색. 하얀색. Good job. Let's have some quiz. What is yellow in Korean? 노란색 means yellow. Next, how about green? What is green in Korean? 녹색 means green. How about white? What is it in Korean? White is 하얀색. Perfect, you did a great job. Now, let's talk about colors as adjective. And now, we'll talk about How to use colors as adjectives. The color nouns can be used as adjective to modify nouns directly. So, for example, palgansek sagwa. It means red apple. Nolansek banana. It means yellow banana. Hayansek uyu. It means white milk. Here are more examples. You want to say I bought a pink skirt. In Korean, pinkosek chimalu setsumnida. It means I bought a pink skirt. Pinkosek means pink. Chima is skirt. Lul is an object marker. And satsumnida means bought. Next is I bought a red high heel. In Korean, palgansek high heel satsumnida. It means I bought a red high heel. Palgansek means red. High heel is high heel and ul is an object marker. And satsumnida means bought. Then when you want to say I bought a black coat, in Korean, komansek katala satsumnida. It means I bought a black coat. Komansek means black. Koto is coat. Lul is a object marker. And satsumnida means bought. And I hope you learn from this video. See you on my next video. Bye!